Welcome. Whole Earth Foundation is a very unique organization. The Whole Earth Foundation, they believe, is a truly unique project with a mission that distinguishes them from other projects within the crypto space. Their goal is to address the real-world challenges of aging infrastructure, utilizing novel tokenomics to empower the people to govern their infrastructure. Through the project had rapidly evolved since its inception, the ecosystem is still in early stages. The foundation will be primarily responsible for development and growth until it achieves sufficient decentralization. So, the Whole Earth Foundation is a very innovative approach from them, because we know that not every person in this world have the right to change or the capability to maintain their age infrastructure. So they have found some problems into that ecosystem and try to solve that in their massively innovative approaches. When they examine the world broadly, they see a growing issues of aging infrastructure. Unfortunately, service providers governing these infrastructure assets have not always adequately maintained and renewed the facilities key they manage. Take, for example, the aging water infrastructure of the United States, where it is estimated that approximately $1 trillion in capital investment will be required to replace all water pipes by the year 2050. Most water pipe infrastructure in the United States was installed between the late 1800s and 1970s. So most of it at least 40 years old, with a large fraction being 60 to 80 years old, with a useful life of most types of water pipes somewhere in the range of 60 to 100 years. Increasingly, more of the existing pipes will have to be replaced. Most citizens, however, are not fully aware of this situation or the reality that they will carry the burden of the cost in the form of increased water bills. This problem is not unique to the US. Most of Europe has an older pipe system. A similar issue exists in the most countries worldwide. Upon further examination of the problem, two fundamental characteristics specific to the public infrastructure become apparent. Imbalanced access to information between service providers and citizens, the lack of general incentives among parties to challenge the status quo. So they have taken some approaches to solve this problem. Here, in their white paper, they have stated how much problems are going on in infrastructure, how this state is happening in this US. They have found that. And here are the approaches they are going to take. To address this problem, the Whole Earth Foundation, a non-profit organization, proposes to utilize the Whole Earth Access platform to connect general citizens and infrastructure service providers by providing access to a database containing detailed information about their infrastructure and an ecosystem designed to facilitate the communication and collaboration. As its core is the environmental database, constructed by pulling together and geoprocessing multiple public and privately available data sources. Once normalized, the data will undergo additional processing to be made available in very high geographic resolution, which is not available in most publicly available databases today. The data is also pre-cleaned, helping shorten the development time for machine learning projects to third-party developers. So, what we are getting now, if we enlisted into that whole ecosystem, our infrastructure will be enlisted into their platform, and we got a reminder from them that when we have to change the infrastructure or start doing maintaining, and they are going to remind us in the right time. So Whole Earth Foundation is a very much unique foundation in a whole lot way. And this is going to change the whole lot of the problem and make the world much more cleaner and newer. Thank you so much.